Learn with Rose. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the most 4 important properties of whole number. Let's begin. Addition closure property. The sum of two whole numbers is also a whole number. Example 2 plus 4 equal to 6. A whole number. 5 plus 0 equal to 5. A whole number. Commutative property. When we add any two whole numbers in order, the sum remains the same. Example 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Additive identifier. 0 added to any whole number will result to the same number. Example 14 plus 0 equal to 14. 3 plus 0 equal to 3. Associative property. Two or more numbers to be added may be associated in any number. The result is the same. Example 7 plus bracket 8 plus 5 equal to 5 plus bracket 7 plus 8. Subtraction closure property. Whole numbers are not closed under subtractions. Example 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 2 minus 7, 7 equal to minus 5. Minus 5 are not whole numbers. Commutative property. Whole numbers are not commutative under subtraction. Example 20 minus 11 equal to 9. 11 minus 20 equal to minus 9. Associative property on subtraction. Whole numbers are not associative under subtraction. Example 25 minus bracket 8 minus 3 equal to 8 minus 25 minus 3 bracket. Multiplication closure property. Whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Example 20 into 20 equal to 400. 400. 400 is a whole number. 20 into 0 into 0 equal to 0 is a whole number. Commutative properties. Whole numbers are commutative under multiplication. Example: 10 into 5 equal to 50. 5 into 10 equal to 50. Multiplicative identifier. 1 is the multiplication identifier of whole number. Example: 28 into 1 equal to 28. 251 into 1 equal to 251. Associative property. Whole numbers are associative under multiplication. Example: 7 into bracket 9 into 2 equal to 2 into bracket 9 into 7. Notes. Division closure property. Whole numbers are not closed under division. Example: 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. 2 is a whole number. Now 3 divided by 9 equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is not a whole number. Commutative property. Whole numbers are not commutative under division. Example: 4 divided by 2. Equal to 2. 2 divided by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Associative property. Whole numbers are not associative under division. Example: 48 divided by bracket 12 divided by 4 equal to 12 divided by 48 divided by 4. Division by 0. For any whole number, division is not under division by 0. The answer is undefined. Distributive property for any three whole numbers A, B and C. Example, A into bracket B plus C equal to A into B bracket plus A into C. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell.